Dear students, see the next question from 11th standard motion in a straight line chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 3.23. Okay, see that it's one interesting question. Okay, now you are going to draw the one graphical diagram based on the given situation. Okay, now I didn't write the question, so instead of that I'll read the question now. So please observe the question. Okay, listen. Actually this is additional exercise question, so 3.23. okay, see there, a three-wheeler start from rest. It is like auto. Okay, a three-wheeler start from rest. Okay, like auto. Okay, it's a three-wheeler. Okay, right. A three-wheeler start from rest. So start from rest means what is the meaning? Here the initial velocity is 0. Okay. Accelerate uniformly with 1 meter per second square. Okay, so the acceleration is given. Acceleration is given as 1 meter per second square. Okay. On a straight road, this is a straight road. For 10 seconds. So how much second they give acceleration? 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 10 seconds he accelerate the like auto. Okay. So and moves with uniform velocity. Up and now they accelerate IT, so it is maintaining that uniform velocity. Okay, so it is only done. Plot the distance covered by the vehicle during nth second. During nth second. So n is equal to, n means here the time. So n is equal to nth second. I mean the first second, second second, third second up to 10th second. Okay, because that acceleration is continuing up to 10 seconds. So the distance traveled by nth second formula, you know, based on that formula. First second, how much distance covered? Second second, from the initial position, first second, how much distance is covered? Okay, like that. For example, this is first distance, this much distance covered. Second second, up to here. Third second, up to here. Fourth second, up to here. Fifth second, up to here. So like that, we want to calculate for nth second. Okay, so what do you expect? Do you plot the during acceleration of motion, whether the straight line or parabola? அப்போ இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுற சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா ஒரு கிராஃப் வரை சொல்கிறாங்க. அந்த கிராஃப் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் ஆர் parabola. Okay, straight line, you know, it's a parabolic map like a curved path. Okay, so shall we discuss? Yes, please listen. So it is based on distance traveled by nth second. Okay, distance traveled by nth second formula, you know, that is Sn is equal to u plus half a by 2 2n minus 1. Here it is a nth second. Here n is equal to 1 means that is the first second, n is equal to 2 means second second, n equal to 3 means third second, like that is going. But you know here that initial velocity is 0. So let's take initial velocity 0. And the acceleration of the vehicle is given, that is 1 meter per second square. Okay. So you know the formula, that is Sn is equal to u plus half a into or a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So for first second, so you know already it is like the first second how much distance covered. Okay, so like that in the first second how much distance covered, that is S1 is equal to, okay, you know initial velocity 0, so you forget this term, no need to write initial velocity 0. Okay, then a value what actually 1 meter per square. So 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 is what? That is 0.5. So I can write 0.5 for every step. So it's a 0.5, that is a by 2 become 0.5. Then n value is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 what? 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 into 0.5, that is equal to 0.5. Okay, that is equal to 0.5. Like that for second. So for first second how much distance is covered? For example 0.5 meter is covered. Okay, for example. So S2. So that means what? That is second. Okay, in 2 seconds how much distance covered? So here as usual that is a 0.5. So 2 seconds. So 2 into 2 4. So 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So 3. So 0.5 into 3. Okay. 3 into 5, 15. That is 1.5. Correct? The next one, like that, in third second. Third second means what will come? As usual, this 0.5. Next, third second. So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. 5 into 5, 25. That is 2.5. So அப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னாவே தெரியுது எப்படி இருக்கு, கிராஜுவலாக போகுதா. It is uniformly variation. So 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, next 3.5, 4.5, 6.5, 5.5, 6.5, like that is increasing. So அப்போ பாருங்க, for first second 0.5, second second 1.5, third second 2.5, fourth second 3.5, fifth second 4.5, like that. In 10th second how much will come? 9.5 will come. Okay, so we can write 0.5 into here, 10th second. So 10th second how much will come? 2 into 10, 20. So 20 minus 1 is 19. So 19 into 5 what? 95. So 19 into 5, that is a 95. That is a 9.5. Okay, so அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்கு? It is a time. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, up to 10 second. For 10 second, it is one graph, I mean in the x-axis, and the distance covered in nth second, that is a 0.5, 0.5, then 1.5, then 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. So like that, it is in the, what is that? It is the position. Our distance covered is in y-axis. Okay, அப்போ இது பார்த்தாவே தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு. 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, 9.5. So it should be like a straight line, the uniform. So we can get 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, here 9.5. 0, starting is 0. Okay, so first second, second second, third second, fourth second, fifth second, sixth second, seventh second, eighth second, and then ninth second, the last one 10th second. So in 10th second we can get like this kind of graph. So after up to the 10th second only acceleration is there. After the 10th second no acceleration, because okay, so here it is a slope between the position and the time. So the position and the time, here some velocity changes is there, but here no slope. அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது, rest position ஆயிருது. So up to the 10th second the object is moving. After 10th second it is stop. It is stop means what? The position should be constant. அப்ப பாருங்க இது இங்கேயே இருக்குது, எவ்வளவு தூரத்துல, for example up to 9.5